This is Amber's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. Today's Subscription Box Saturday, and in this video, I have for you my Heroes Tower Mystery Box. You guys know this is one of my favorite subscription boxes, so without further ado, let's see what fun goodies I got this month. Okay, guys, so here's my box. I just love this box. Let's see what we got. I already pre-opened it. Ooh, we do have an item list. I'm going to fold it down because I don't want to be spoiled. But when you open it up, it looks like this. Okay, and you can order their subscription box. I got it on Cratejoy. I think my thing is shaking. Awesome. But anyways, I ordered it on Cratejoy when I got my box, but they may be sold out on Cratejoy. So if they are, just make sure that you email them at theheroestower@hotmail.com and he will get you a box, okay? So if you're not able to get it on the Cratejoy website, just email him. He'll get you all set up. Okay, guys, so here we go. Ooh. Look how fun it is. Gold and everything. Alrighty dighty. Oh my gosh, I gotta quit shaking the camera. This is so funny. I'm so sorry, guys. Oh my gosh, all my unboxings so far today that I filmed have been a train wreck. Okay, so I do support them on Patreon, just a very small, minimal amount. And for that, they send out a little thank you, which is really sweet because they don't have to do that. But I absolutely love that they do. So let's go ahead and open up my little Patreon gift. Let's go, turtles, to the Heroes Tower. I love it. Look at how cute that is, guys. I love it. That is so cute. Oh, that is really creative. Amber, thanks again for another month of support. Encloses a small gift that I think you will enjoy playing with your son. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thanks, Chad from the Heroes Tower. That is awesome. I love that card. That is so cute. Okay, guys, let's see what we got in here. Press play the game. So it's a dice game. Oh, this is super fun. Oh, and look at you, thinking of my little boy. Awesome. So we got 24 tokens, 3 dice, and then the instruction set. So here we go, guys. This is so cute. And it's so funny because when I love to play Yahtzee. I'm a Yahtzee geek. And my son likes to roll the dice for me and stuff. It is so super fun. So this will be fun to play with him. Thank you. Awesome. Look at you, thinking of my little boy. Okay, guys. So when I took that away, we got the little gold wrap here. Should I do that one last? Should I do this one first? I don't know. What should I do? I'm going to open it. I'm just going to open it, guys. What is it? Okay. Oh, cute. My Little Pony party. So what is it, though? I don't know what it is. It's a party. Like, how do you open it? Oh, that did it. I want to see what the party... Okay, guys, before I ruin it, here it is. My Little Pony party. And actually, I shouldn't ruin it because I need to take my pictures for Instagram. So I'm not really sure what it is. It's a Cutie Mark Crew friendship party. So it's super cute, but I don't want to ruin it. You know what I mean? Because I want to get my pictures first, and then I'll open it up. So after I open it up, I'll probably insert a clip later to show you guys what it is after I get my pictures. Okay. All right, guys. Let's open up the little bundle. See what's inside here. Awesome, awesome. Okay, so it is all bubble wrapped up. Let's open her up, guys. Woo! He said I might be getting another turtle so I can have them all. Awesome. Okay, guys, so I have Michelangelo, I have Donatello, and now I have Raphael. Yay! How cute are these guys? Do you not love them? Look at that. That is so cute. And this is a handcrafted item. I absolutely love it. It is so super fun. Okay, so now we have another handcrafted item. Oh, and I just wanted to stress to you guys, he includes a little bit more of the handcrafted items for me because he knows I appreciate and love that kind of thing. But just so you know, if you get this box, you're guaranteed 1 up to 3 handcrafted items in your box. So I just wanted to make that very clear. You could get 1, 2, 3, whatever. Okay, so it could just be a variety of handcrafted items. But if you like that kind of thing, then just put that in the notes when you're ordering your box so that he knows. Okay, so this is... Oh, stop it! Thundercats! Hello! Look at how fun this is. So this is like a something that I would just hang up as a decoration for the Thundercats. How awesome! I love it. Do you guys remember that? Oh my god, that was so fun growing up. I love the Thundercats. Okay, I think I might have skipped school a couple times so I could watch it. I'm just saying. Okay, and you guys know I love my magnets. My magnets are so super fun, and this one is Spider-Man. Look at how bright those colors are. That is such a great magnet. I love it. Okay, so there's that one. Awesome. Ooh, so cute. Stop it. This is awesome. Oh my gosh. So this is an adult size mask. Okay. So this is fun. I will totally rock this for sure. And it is definitely handmade, and it is a Batman mask. I'm not going to put it on because I don't want to get lipstick on it right now. Even though when I actually wear it, I will get lipstick on it. I'm just saying. But see? Awesome! Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute! What? I love this. Oh my gosh, that's awesome. You know, I have an outfit that is like bright yellow and black, and I can totally rock the little Batman mask with it. That'll be awesome. Great job. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. Oh, stop it. This is the yeah, it's not getting sent out. Nope. Nope. It is not, but they like to include postcards in every single one of their boxes so that you can send out a geeky hello to somebody in your life, friends, family, whatever. You're supposed to send them out, but I'm going to frame some of mine. I'm just saying. And this bad boy is getting framed, baby. This is Optimus Prime. Yes! Who doesn't love the Transformers? I just rewatched the movie for like the 100th time because I absolutely love it. Love the Transformers growing up. Optimus Prime is my favorite Transformer, so this is awesome. This is not getting sent out. I am definitely keeping it so that I can frame it. Awesome. Love Optimus Prime. Okay. Oh, that's a cute little stamp. So they also include a stamp so that you can mail out your little geeky hello, which is awesome. Oh, this is funny. I love this. Wonder if I could put this on like a pair of shoes or something. All right, so we have Spider-Man with Batman, and he's like making him smile. How funny is that, guys? It's a sticker, but I absolutely love it. I am a sticker geek, so I love stickers and stuff like that. I'm just saying. So that is funny. It's so funny. All right, now we have another Transformer. This one is Bumblebee. Check that out. That is awesome. Awesome. Love it. Yay. Okay, and I don't know who he is. There you go, guys. Not sure who that one is. I'll check the item list after I'm done unboxing, but I'm not sure who that is. And I'm not sure about her either. There you go. Everybody can scream at me who these things are because I'm not quite sure. Yes! Donatello! And it says Donnie. Stop it. I mean, just stop it, guys. Look at how cute that is. That is so great. Oh, I wonder if I should put this on a pair of shoes or something. Batman! Oh my gosh, I love it. Stop it. I mean, just stop it. This would be so great for a shirt to go with my little Batman mask. Optimus Prime! Yay! Oh my gosh, you guys, I love it. This is so great. And then there's one more, and I don't know who this little guy is, but there he is. Awesome. So I'm sure they might have the description of all the stickers in the item list. They might not. They might just say, packet of stickers. So there you go. That was so fun, guys. Oh my gosh, I love this subscription. It's just so incredibly fun. Okay, so now we're into the comic books, and we have Wonder Woman, Come Back to Me. Ooh, that's an interesting little cover there. So I am going to start cutting up the comic books very soon, guys. I'm going to be making some stuff out of the comic books. This one is all wrapped up. I am going to unwrap it because I know you guys are going to get glare. So this one is Batman the Dark Knight. Yes! There you go, baby. Yay. That is so great. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, guys, let's take a quick look at the item list here just to make sure I got everything right. He sent me a lot of things that were so super awesome. I knew what they were. So the Optimus Prime postcard, the Thundercats dangler, which is handcrafted. So it says you can hang on your rearview mirror, your wall, tree, decorate, whatever. You know what I mean? And that's exactly what I said. Is that not what I said before reading this? I'm just saying. Okay, so then we got a Spider-Man magnet, which was also handcrafted. The Batman face mask, handcrafted. Yay! The Ralph Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtle wooden figurine, also handcrafted. And then the My Little Pony collection mystery figures. Oh, they're mystery figures. Well, that's cool. So I'll pop those out of there after I take the picture, but I want to get the picture first. So then we got 2 comics, and then the stickers were Loki. Oh, which one's Loki? Hold up. Because when we do that, oh, that's Loki. My bad, my bad. Yeah, here's, okay. Yeah, I just, when they do it in a cartoon form, I don't always know, but there's Loki right there. For sure, that's the Loki sticker. Okay, I missed that. Optimus, Bumblebee, Batman, Donatello, Black Widow. Which one was Black Widow? Is that the lady? Oh, see, when they do the pop art stuff, I just never know. I should know by their, like, weapons, but I don't know. I don't always know. So, and then Thor head bust. Oh, this is Thor. We doesn't have long hair. How would I know that was Thor? And I love Thor. Like, you know, I love Thor. I'm just saying. All right. So, and then the selfie of Superman and Batman. That is so fun, guys. Like I said, this is hands down one of my favorite subscription boxes. I love geeky kind of stuff. I think it is so super fun. So if you guys would like to get one of your own, again, you can check them out on Cratejoy. I will put that link in the description box below. And like I said, if they are unavailable on Cratejoy, make sure that you email them at theheroestower@hotmail.com, and he will get you all set up with your box. Thanks so much for taking the time to check this out, guys, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye! And in this video, I have for you one of my favorite subscription boxes. I forgot the name! Roller again. Oh my gosh. You can check Cratejoy, and if you're not able to get it there, you can always email him at the Heroes Tower. I don't have the email. This is a great video. Try it again. And in this video, I have for you one of my favorite. Did that work? I don't know. I think I'm going to take that out altogether. I just don't like it. All right.